So hello everyone. So we're demonstrating the proper way of retrieving a data loss or corruption. So first, go to the folder. So we have already a document. So we try to delete this and recover it. Delete. So the file is already been deleted. So we'll try to recover it. So we go to the search bar and type the recycle bin. So here is the power recycle bin we're using. So just click this, and here is our deleted file. So just click this. So just right click, then click restore, and it will automatically restore to our documents. So gonna go back to the documents files. So here, so as you can see, the deleted file is already been restored in our document. So that that's all for today's. So, so that's the proper way of retrieving a data loss or corruption.